You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 109, or 10.44. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 36 and y1 equals negative 65. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals 33 and y2 equals negative 75. D is the distance between the 2 points. The Pythagorean theorem tells us that taking the square root of both sides leads us to the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 36. x2 equals 33. y1 equals negative 65. y2 equals negative 75. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 109, or 10.44.